is gonna be insane, guys. We're at a little rev off here. The Evo 10 is so much louder with all the pops. Alright, so we're at another car meet. Ariana's over here. That's just on the last video. We got everything set up. And we have a super sick lineup here of all Mitsubishis. And we also have Kevin's car. Kevin's car, fortunately, it is for sale. It is here, repping the Subaru side. I just love how clean this car is. And the transmission is polished too. I just love how clean this engine bay is. It's also a rally art, so this guy put a lot of work into it. Evo 8 is super insane. I think probably make 800, 900 horsepower or something like that. It's insane. Evo down. More octane booster, bro. Yeah. I need more Canadian style octane. Yeah. I don't think I've got this car in video before, but I freaking love it. Again, not a super huge Subaru, guys, but the fenders here are insane. I love that. I wish I could get something like that for the Evo because I just love the louvered look, and its interior is insane as well. Damn. I really like that. That looks so good. Just really like the way it looks. Especially the fenders. Two super clean white Evo 10s, and I love the fenders. The Barris fenders are just crazy. Damn. Seeing this car makes me miss mine. Old school Evos just feels so much different. Just really miss my old school Evo. Damn. Right now we are in Kevin's car. If you guys remember, Kevin has an 04 Blobeye STI. I'm driving his car right now. My friend Braden is driving the Z and Kevin's driving my Evo. We're gonna meet up with a local drift group. That's the reason why I am bringing the Z. I'm gonna try and pull some skids. For sure, I'm not the best at it, and plus that I have one leak in my tire. So that is also not a good sign, but since they are tires that are going anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and see about what I can do and try and get some good shots for you guys, because drifting is always a good time. Until the police show up, then let's just hope that doesn't happen. Oh, hello! S13, S14, an Audi, a little mini bike. Everyone's bringing out all their toys, so this is gonna be sick. I think these two are gonna tandem. Is my Z louder? Yeah, a little bit. Oh, quite a bit?
Tire though. Yeah.
Really?
You squeal like a fucking pig that's about to be into a fucking pig man.
Oh shit! Oh. Is that the H6? Is that the white Comet of Winnipeg? Whoa! That was sweet!
I thought my head got ripped off, man.
Like, how close was that?
That was like, that was pretty close.
I was standing right behind you guys, like, holy shit.
I was like, dude, if he hit my head.
Dude, this is legit some hood rat shit right now.
Some hood.
This is some hood rat shit right now. Yeah. Oh, by the way, this is Joel. This is my new friend Joel. What's up, dude? Oh, tandem? This is like 100% drift car spec. Oh, he's coming in.
I don't know if he's
Oh, there's a semi just chilling at the corner.
Here you go.
Alright, we're live at the drift spot. Mike is just in the Z getting ready. He's gonna pull some skids.
Alright, man, you know what I'm saying? You know how it is, you know what I'm saying? We out here, we live out here, you know what I'm saying? Drift spot. You know, my good friend Mike, you about to go over there, man. We got this. Woo!
Got anything to say to Mike?
Okay.
Alright.
Mikey's about to enter the car.
The key of the Z isn't here because it's in the car.
It's raining?
You ready to go?
Kill it.
Okay, nice way to start it. You just had to end it with a pose. Second gear slide the corner right there. Lock the clutch to get the second. You're good. Yeah, trust me. And then just nudge towards us. You'll be fine. No, you don't have to nudge. You just have to.
Yeah, maybe just try doing the first trip.
Got it.
Was the first skid good?
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
I was going around here.
Yeah, it looks good. It looks good. It looks good.
First year, dude. It's all. Shakira is holding up pretty strong. I have to check the rear tires, but we should be good.
They're coming back. Here you go.
That S14 might get stone chips on my Z. She was going pretty fast.
You ready with the Z? Your Evo is sitting over there.
Hey Mikey, can I test out the Evolution X please? I would like to feel the horsepowers in comparison to my 1999 Honda Civic SI. Yes, it has VTEX. H-Gang for life!
Track time, boys.
Kev. Oh. Well, yeah. Reset, but you hit 27 psi.
Really?
Yeah, you hit 27. I was only able to get 25. Maybe because it's like colder now.
Yeah. Oh yeah,
But-
some more air.
I don't know. I only hit 17. Maybe because I was also scared to drive.
But dude, 27 psi on stock internals, bro. Who's driving? Is it Kev? Kev's driving? Taking out the Subi now after the Evo, bro? He's gonna be like, I hit 15, but it exploded. No, Kevin's car is good. Kevin's car is good. I know that car. It can hit way over 15.
No, he hit 12 here. If I lose, call my mom. Mom, if you're watching, e-transfer me 13.
I don't know what's faster, honestly. The Evo?
The Evo's more aggressive with boost.
But what's faster? The Evo or the
You
Subi?
have to watch it neck and neck. $5 is on the line.
From drift to grip, bro.
On a dime, brother.
You're lying.
No, it's recorded on
Are
the...
you kidding me?
Dude, it's...
No!
15.
15.49, but that's...
You can just round it up. Oh, you owe him another $5.
I only said
This is like a playground for like just all our toys. Damn, going for a ride along.
Fucking hockey mask, bro.
Once again, dude, this thing is freaking beast. Is there a holy shit handle? No.
Somebody broke it off the door already.
Oh, well, that makes sense. This thing is so rowdy compared to the Z. It's unreal.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get the hot in here. I just finished my last thing of tires.
Yeah.
Almost done.
I swear, this guy's just sleeping. That's fucking insane, dude.
Oh yeah.
Dude. We're doing like a tandem thing?
He's following me. Most of the time I don't know, I like to follow to get on their door, but Buddy's really good. He's gonna follow.
Is that thing right-hand drive too? That's 14?
His is right-hand drive, mine's left-hand drive.
Yeah.
His is NA, SR20 NA.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so he's ripping NA just like me.
So I guess the power's more or less the same, hey?
He's got a bit more power.
Dude, it was crazy. It was so crazy. What the fuck, dude? Oh, something. Fuck, that's crazy, dude. Dude, that was crazy, man.
That shit was lit.
Fuck, bro. Damn. I don't think they even make 150 horse.
I don't think so.
I don't think
It makes you feel like you're going at least like 200 sideways, bro. Honestly.
See, Brayden, you don't need power to have fun.
Look at the mark.
That's mental. Dude. That's crazy. This is the rowdiest night Ariana's ever went to. This is crazy. Before I end today's video, I just want to give a shout out to Corey, the guy in the 240 that I went for a ride along with, and also Jesse for basically showing me the ropes, giving me some tips on how to drift and how to control the car. Basically like the first few steps into getting into the sport. So huge shout out to you guys. Thank you for showing me what you know and giving me tips and whatnot. Also, a little peek for you guys into the future. By the way, if you guys noticed that my Evo didn't have a wing in this video, it is because that this video was actually filmed before the wing install. But I was just so excited to show you guys. I figured that I'd upload the wing install first. So hopefully that makes kind of sense and that clears up some confusion if you guys were wondering. But anyways, a peek into the future. You can see my brother wiping a car that he bought. Maybe you guys can tell as to what car it is. And also my mom just got a new car as well. But anyways, those are future videos. I'm probably gonna upload that later because I still have to film and everything. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you did like the drifting content. Comment down below what you want to see in terms of drifting, since there isn't too much here in the city, but I will try to make content for you guys in terms of like drifting and stuff. So I'll have to end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to like, subscribe, and join the Annie Perfect Society. Peace out and make it happen.